Welcome, Horizon Seekers! Are you ready to dive into the world of AI and discover some mind-blowing advancements? Today, we'll be exploring the new free AutoGPT in your browser that automates your tasks, Elon Musk's fascinating Truth-GPT, and some incredible AI tools that can turn your drawings into animations, detect feelings from facial expressions, and even help you spot fake images. So buckle up and let's journey to the high end of innovation together. Picture this: an AI assistant that could not only type for you, but also click buttons and perform tasks on any website. That's precisely what AutoGPT does, and it's now available directly in your browser. Adobe just launched AI video editing, and Elon Musk revealed his plans to make a ChatGPT competitor called Truth-GPT. With all these developments, it's safe to say the future of AI is looking bright, folks. So, let's dive deeper into the story behind AutoGPT. For the past couple of weeks, GitHub Repos like AutoGPT and Baby AGI have been working on creating autonomous AI agents that can perform tasks on your behalf. Instead of asking ChatGPT one question at a time, you can give AutoGPT a goal, and it'll go out there, research, and try to solve the problem for you. For example, you could give it a goal like, how can I make as much money as possible in New York City in a day without a job? And AutoGPT would then perform tasks like identifying high-traffic areas in the city, searching for popular tourist attractions, and selecting profitable products or services to sell quickly and easily in those areas. It might even develop a marketing strategy to attract customers. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's now available on godmode.space, so don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Now let's talk about Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur, and his plans to create a third option in the ChatGPT world called Truth-GPT. His goal is to develop a maximum truth-seeking AI that understands the nature of the universe and hopefully does more good than harm. Musk expressed concerns about AI being trained to be politically correct, which he believes could lead to deception. With Truth-GPT, he aims to create an AI that cares about understanding the universe, making it less likely to harm humans, who are, after all, an interesting part of the cosmos. We can't wait to see what Truth-GPT has in store for us. Next up, we have a fantastic AI Chrome extension for you called Bardeen AI. This tool allows you to create automations on any website, saving you precious time. No more copy-pasting or clicking your mouse endlessly. Bardeen AI will handle it all for you with its built-in automations. Let's take a quick demo of how Bardeen AI works. You can scrape LinkedIn user data, put it on Google Sheets, or create a custom automation by just clicking a few buttons. For instance, you can click in the top right corner and type "Scrape LinkedIn user data" and put it on Google Sheets. Then click on "Let our AI assistant build it for you." Just like that, it creates a custom automation. You can click on "Scrape data" and select the list or table you want to collect. With just a few more clicks, Bardeen AI will have all the data organized for you. Now you can view the scraped document with a name, description, and location all neatly arranged in a file. How cool is that? And it doesn't stop there. You can even use Bardeen AI to scrape data from a crypto-type website or any other site with various data points. Just open the tab, click on the new Scraper tool, and start building. The AI scraper will do the heavy lifting and scrape all the data for you. To try it out, head over to bardeen.ai/download and install the Chrome extension. Are you ready for some fun? What if I told you that you could turn your drawings into animations with the help of AI? Sketch Meta Demo Lab lets you do just that. Simply visit sketchmetademolab.com and get started. In this demo, you'll see how easy it is to bring your drawings to life. Upload your drawing, and the AI will help you refine it, rig it with a head, arms, legs, and a body, and voila! Your animation is ready. Now you can make your stick figure wave, dance, or even box. Who knows? Maybe AI-generated stick figures will soon go viral on TikTok. And now, let's talk about the ChatGPT browser plugin. This amazing tool can type and click buttons for you on any website. Just think of a task like composing a 100-word tweet on AI, and ChatGPT will write it for you and post it on Twitter. In this demo, you'll see how ChatGPT can not only suggest an Italian restaurant in Palo Alto for a date, but also book a table for you using OpenTable. It'll fill in your info and complete the reservation, all without you lifting a finger. But be cautious. In the wrong hands, this powerful tool could be dangerous. So keep it away from any shopaholics you know. Did you know that AI can now detect feelings in real time using facial expressions? Let's take a look at some examples featuring celebrities like Will Smith and Terry Crews. The AI can analyze their emotions based on their facial expressions, categorizing them as happy, positive, excited, surprised, sad, angry, disgusted, or neutral. We might even be able to solve the centuries-old mystery of Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile with the help of AI. With AI-generated images becoming more and more realistic, it's getting harder to tell if they are real or not. But there are still some clues you can look for, like unusual smoothness of the skin, odd shadows, or strange textures. It's essential to stay vigilant in our increasingly digital world. That wraps up today's episode, Horizon Seekers. We hope you enjoyed learning about the new free AutoGPT in your browser, Elon Musk's Truth-GPT, and all the other exciting AI tools and advancements we discussed. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to High-End Horizons for more cutting-edge tech updates. If you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking those high-end horizons.